Okay, the next thing I feel, and not the last actually, there's one more thing. Don't want to spoil the surprise. Is this, what is it? I think this is what I ordered. Wait. Yes, it is, guys, it is. Go, boop, 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 boop. I'm really excited. She got it right. I figured I'd be getting scammed. It even has a little tag in the back. It's the YouTube and the cake. Oh my gosh, yes. Is it squishy? No, they're not really squishy. I don't care. She got this right, and I really like it. This one's really hard. The cake is really hard, but this one's really soft. Thank you so much. I love this. Okay, so there's one more thing, and I did order a headband, and this is it. It is really cute. I thought this was just really cute, and I had to have it. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so overwhelmed about this squishy package. She gave me quite a few extras. She gave me a bracelet. She gave me a Thai stuffed animal with an extra. Dude, you got some serious extra problems. And I actually have the same exact package, and I got some more things for you guys coming up. I actually ordered some sunglasses, and I hope they're not ruined. So, guys, I'll see you in that video.